Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. We will have a look at for loop in this tutorial. And we need a variable. We can create that variable in for loop or before the for loop. It is up to us. Let number and semicolon and number less than 10 semicolon and number plus plus. We are going to increase our number value by 1 by till less than 10. So we need to assign a value for number. And we need to put curly brace and we can display our message between that curly braces. Console log current number and plus number, which is our variable name. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see numbers from 0 to 9. Let's create our number before our for loop. Let me delete that one. I just need to add let number and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, nothing has changed. Let's have a look at for in and for off loops. Let me comment them out. I need to create an object const salaries equal, let's say John 20,000, comma, and let's say Jane 25,000, comma, and let's say David 27,000. And let's create our for in loop for, and I need to create another variable. Let's say let I, you can give any name you want, it's up to you, in salaries and curly brace. And I need to assign that each salaries to another variable. Let's say let salary equal your currency icon and plus to connect our values with that string and salaries square bracket and our variable name, which is that one, and semicolon. And let's display that values on console log, and we need to use that code. I'm not using that one guys, so there is difference. You can find that sign on your keyboard easily. And $, curly brace, our variable name, and colon, then $, curly brace, and our second variable name, then semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all values in our object. We can use an enter method to display it. Let me comment it out. Then let's type one more time. Console log I and plus colon, then plus and salary and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the same result. I wanted to show both of them. And let's have a look at for of loop. Let me comment them out. I need to create another object. Const cars equal BMW, Volvo, and another one Fiat, and semicolon. Then we need to create our for loop. Const I of cars and curly brace, and we can display our cars on our console. Console log and I, then semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all cars on our console. And lastly, I want to show break and continue with that for loop. Let me comment them out. We need to create two variables, let x and let result. Result equal empty, then semicolon. And let's start our for loop. For x equal 0, semicolon, and x less than 5, then x plus plus. We are increasing x value as we did before. If x value triple equal 4, then we apply a break. and let's display result on our console log x and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's showing total for number. Let's make it 2. We will see 0 and 1. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see total 2 number. That triple equals operator returns true if both operands are of the same type and contain the same value. If comparing different types for equality, this result is going to be false. Let me copy that one and comment them out, then paste it for using continue instead of break. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all numbers. So it's continue to the loop, then show all numbers to us. We will learn how to use sort of loops in our real world project in our future videos. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.